Hello team, these video tips are about window washing. We need the following elements. We need a liquid glass cleaner. We need foam glass cleaner for spot cleaning. We need a swivel squeegee. We need window washer and bucket of hot water with couple of designated glass cleaning rags. We start with preparing the glass surface. We have to remove any residue, scotch tapes or adhesive. For that purpose we use the window scraper, foam glass cleaner and cleaning rags. We spray the foam cleaner first, then scrape at a low angle the glass surface. If there's any laminates on the glass surface we cannot use because it will damage the surface. And finally we have to wipe it off. The next step, we're mixing liquid window detergent in a bucket of hot water. Now we are ready to wash the windows. We use the window washer and soak it in the detergent. The next step will be wring it well so we don't have any drips, and then we wash the glass surface. It is important to put a little bit more pressure in the area that we feel it contains more dirt. An extension is also practical to reach the higher elevations. Couple of practical notes about using swivel handle. Swivel handle is very useful because you can clean it vertically or horizontally by changing the angle of the swivel handle, and it also attaches automatically to the extension tool. The next step, we're extracting dirty water with the squeegees, and the way we have to move is in overlapping positions, so the squeegee line goes at least 10 or 20% over the area that you clean already. This eliminates the drips. The final step is to examine the mirror surface and tackle any imperfections, drips, by spot cleaning with a foam cleaner and designated cleaning cloth.